Hey guys, it's Miss Guinea Pig, and today's video is going to be an opening from Vitacraft. They're located in Bowling Green, Ohio. Okay. This cost them $3.40 just to send, and I spent nothing. Okay, let me open the package. I've already kind of opened it. Are you kidding me? I don't want this. Guinea pigs can't have seeds, Vitacraft. They can't do it. No. Bad Vitacraft. There's snappers with bananas and cranberries. And they snap apart. I'm just going to open this. Maybe, if I can get it open. Okay, I can't get it open. Well, that has been it for this video. It was really boring, but thumbs down Vitacraft. That was horrible. Bye guys.